Mode Earn app is a mobile rewards app that pays users for simple actions like completing offers, playing games, and engaging with partner promotions. But the actual value depends heavily on the offers available in your region. By the end of this, you'll know how Mode Earn works in 2026, whether it's legit, and what kind of earnings you can realistically expect. Mode Earn works like a typical Get Paid To app. You sign up, browse available tasks, and earn points after completing them. Those points can be exchanged for cash or gift cards depending on what's currently supported in the app. The setup is fast. The earning part is where expectations usually don't match reality. The first thing to understand is offer-based earnings. Most of the money in apps like Mode Earn comes from offer walls. These are third-party providers inside the app that pay you for actions like installing apps, trying services, or reaching in-game milestones. Some offers are quick. Others take days of progress. The second thing is surveys. Surveys appear regularly, but they are not consistent. You can get screened out before finishing, which means no payout even after spending time answering questions. That makes surveys unpredictable as a main earning method. The third thing is passive earning features. Some versions of Mode Earn include passive-style tasks like listening to music or small engagement activities. These usually pay very low and work best as background earnings rather than focused income. Now the key question: is Mode Earn legit? Yes, it is generally considered legit, because users have reported real payouts through PayPal and gift cards. The real limitation is not trust, it's efficiency. Earnings are small unless you consistently target high-value offers and avoid low-return tasks. Here's how experienced users approach it. They focus only on high-paying offers inside offer walls. They avoid spending long time blocks on surveys unless they are clearly pre-qualified. They also check the app daily because offers change frequently, and some higher payouts disappear quickly. Now the summary. Mode Earn is a legit rewards app. It gives real payouts, flexible tasks, and multiple earning methods. The downside is inconsistent availability, low passive earnings, and heavy reliance on third-party offers. The best way to test it is simple. Use it for a few days, complete only higher value offers, and see how long it takes to reach your first withdrawal. If it feels too slow, you'll know quickly. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and check the next app breakdown before you spend time on the wrong platform.